Hello friends, in this video we will see how to create a HTML5 table. In HTML5 we can create table using a table tag. So the border attribute of this table tag tells whether we need to enable the border for the table or not. The tr tag defines a table row. A table row can have one or more cells called table data. So a table can have one or more these tr rows. That means a table can have one or more rows, and a row can have one or more cells. That means a table data. td tag defines the table data. A table not only used to display the data, it is also used to display site layout, as table data can hold other HTML elements. A table not only used to display data, it is also used to define site layout using the TD. The TD can hold other HTML elements. Here is a simple table example, and if you see here, we opened a table tag at line 10. Then we set border as 1. This table has 3 table row. For example, the first table row starts at line number 11 and ends at line number 12. Then the next one starts after the third one. So each table row contains 3 table data inside it. That means the table contains 3 rows. Then each row contains 3 cells. Here we defined border as 1. That means the table row and table cells are shown with a border. So here we expanded the third table row, so you can see the 3 cell and its value. The first cell states description about the calculator. The second cell shows the exe name, and the third cell shows how frequently it is used by a Windows user. Just an example, so some user can use it frequently. This is just for an example. Alright, now let us see this in Internet Explorer. So here is the example, HTML and head. Then inside the body, after the h1 tag, we are defining a table, and we specified table border as 1. So first we will keep it initially as a 0. Let me save it. So this table has 3 rows. This is first row, second row, and third row. Inside a row we have 3 table data. That means 3 cells. So simply speaking, this table has 3 rows, and the first row contains 3 table data, and second row contains 3 table data, and the third one has 3 table data. Now let me expand one by one. So this is our first data, which talks about Notepad, then the exe name and how frequent Windows user uses that application. The second one is Webpad and the exe name and its usage. So the third one is for a calculator. So this shows you how we defined our table. Let us display this in Internet Explorer. Since we don't have a border, you can see how the table is formatted. So this is our first row. This one is our second row, and you can see the cells here. This is our third row. So if I completely select, you can see the table format. First row, second row, and third row. Alright, now we will set border as 1. Now you can clearly see the cells. And if you see, this is our table. So each cell you can see one box. Then for the entire table you can see one box. That's all here in this video. Thank you for watching. Bye.